Welcome to my YouTube channel Random Videos UK. Today I'm going to unboxing Temu gift items. I ordered 8 items from Temu and I got 5 items free. Let's see how I got it today. I was waiting long time for these types of earpod. We got delivery today via Royal Mail. Water bottle, fan, folding fan, backpack, that's another folding fan, slipper. Those 5 items are free from Temu. This one flux. Finally, AirPod. And wireless keyboard. That's all what I was waiting for. I ordered only one water bottle, but you will see the amazing stuff. Just count how many inside. First, second one and third one. 3 water bottle. This one is flask. This is very cute vacuum flask set. This fan is rechargeable as well, so you can use it straight away on your laptop, or you can charge and use it. This mini keyboard is wireless as well, and yeah, put is so cute. This fan is foldable as well. Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. See you in another vlog. Thank you.